Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. To this video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any beautiful time. So let's start. So you can see this picture very beautiful. You can see the lights and all and the small plants, the red color plants and all. And the bed you can see the cotton, the plants, you can see beautiful plants and all, looking very beautiful, very good looking. This the cotton and all, it's also very beautiful. You can see the purple color lamp, the floor, you can see the wall, you can see beautiful, the bed and all, very beautiful decoration and all. It's also very beautiful. You can see the photos and all, and the TV you can see beautiful decoration and all, and the it's also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the small lights, the floor, and the bed and all, very beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the small butterflies and lights and all, very beautiful decoration, good decoration, looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the roof. You can see beautiful lights and all, and the lights you can see. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color wall and the roof and the fan. You can see beautiful fan and all. And the cupboard you can see beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the purple color. You can see the down mat. You can see the wall. You can see and the lights you can see beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see uh, the table. You can see the here or use laptop and all, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the plants and all, very beautiful decoration. The mirror also, we can see the outside window, sorry, very beautiful. And this one also very beautiful room. You can see the floor, you can see wooden floor, the roof, wooden roof, and the whole very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. The bed blue color, the lamp blue, black color, sorry, blue color, black color, and the lights, the cotton and all, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. The green color wall, the bed and all, very beautiful, very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the up fan and the wall, you can see black color, the lamp and all, very beautiful black color, very good. This one also the lamp, you can see the cupboard, you can see the wall and all, very beautiful. The floor, this one also very beautiful. The up roof, you can see the beautiful decoration, the gaming room, the communicator and all, very beautiful. This one also the wall, you can see, very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that the notification will get you first and I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.